guys, this is Lynn from Paper Pigs. Like so many of you, I am taking advantage of this weather and working on several projects today. First and foremost, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in and hang out with me. If you like, share, and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm working on some stickers and some ephemera. So in the background, you may hear some nice, subtle, soothing music that's going to go along with our time today. I'll be the first to say, at one point in time, scoring was a little difficult for me. I was very heavy-handed with it. And so things would never come out the way I wanted them to. And I don't care how much I tried, I always just had a little difficulty with it coming out correctly. Unfortunately, I was tearing up the paper because I was digging into it. And I didn't realize that wasn't necessary. I just needed to score it. Literally, just score it. And sometimes I'll be the first to say, whenever I am working on something that I'm scoring manually, I'll be the first to say I have to take my time with it. Because if I don't, I'm going to have a horrible situation. And these papers that we purchase, printables or not, they're just too expensive for us to be cracking them because we're just not taking our time. So if you're a person that's just starting out with doing some crafting, I encourage you, just take your time. I say all the time, there's no level of perfection. And I don't care how long we've been doing something, we still make mistakes. We have errors. Like right now, I'm jumping out of it. Still have errors, still make mistakes. But that does not mean that it's just going to be wrong in the end. What you just have to do, no matter what you're working on, just, take a little time. I often tell myself that if I don't have time to really work on it properly, I need to leave it alone until I can. And usually that's what I end up doing. bye.